This is Qinggang with Xinhua News Agency. Today we are here in Nangla village of Nanning in South China's Guangxi-Zhuang Autonomous Region. What we see used to be an area of rocky desertification. With the development of rural revitalization, this place blazes a trail of harmonious coexistence between man and nature, and now it takes on a new look. Rocky desertification is called cancer of the earth. In the past, influenced by unfavorable natural environment, deforestation, over-reclamation, and unreasonable farming, Nongla once became one of the worst areas of rocky desertification ever in Guangxi. Villagers used to take advantages of the mountainous resources and develop at the cost of the environment. The ecology of Nongla then became fragile, and different kinds of natural disasters always plagued locals in Nongla. After suffering from environmental deterioration, people in Nongla stopped to protect trees and start afforestation. After decades of efforts, Nongla has gradually formed a three-dimensional ecological development model of planting woods on the mountain top, bamboo alongside mountainside, fruit and medicine at the foot, green and mulberry on the ground. As a result, the barren stony mountain has gradually become an ecological oasis. From 2005 to 2020, the forest coverage rate increased by more than 30%, and the rocky desertification area decreased by more than 20,000 hectares.
以前我们靠山吃山，就是种点东西是吧？农作物什么什么啊，还有砍伐一些竹子啊、木头啊。我们现在靠山吃山，就是说生态环境来赚钱，就是说以旅游这一块进去，让人家参观一些自然风光啊什么这些啊，以服务这方面来赚点钱。
The improvement of ecological environment has become an important channel for people in mountainous areas to increase their income. Thanks to its ecology, Nongla begins to develop tourism in different forms, including activities of sports. The local government has built an ecotourism area, and people's living standards has continuously improved. Lucid water and lush mountains are invaluable assets. Today, Nongla protects the ecological environment like protecting ice, and writes a new chapter in harmony between man and nature. Recent years witnessed the great efforts and fruits that China has made in the practice of harmonious coexistence between man and nature. It has become a pathfinder for, contributor to, and leader of better green development. China will continue enhancing pollution prevention and control and ecological conservation and promoting continuous environmental protection.